Anjali here. In my previous video, I told you the US dollar is king in the forex market because the US economy is the largest economy in the world. The US dollar is the reserve currency of the world, and the US has the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. So, today we will discuss about the features of the USD. Federal Reserve, as we know, entity in the charge of the US monetary policy and budget. The US dollar is the official currency of the US and its island territories according to the US Constitution. For practical reasons, it is divided into 100 smaller cents units, but it can be officially divided into 1000 units. The currency is made up of Federal Reserve Bank notes denominated in the US dollars. It is currently the most important currency in the world and the world's most traded reserve currency in the foreign exchange market. Since the 1971 suspension of the convertibility of the US dollar into precious metal, the US dollar is de facto a fiduciary currency as it is by far the most used currency in international transactions. The USD is the world's leading reserve currency. It is also open market operations and federal funds target rate. Several countries use it as an official currency, and in many others, it is the de facto currency. Next, main features of the US dollar. Currently, over 90% of the forex trades are made with a pair of currencies that include the US dollar. The most liquid currencies on the forex are Euro, USD, USD JPY, GBP and USD, and USD and CHF pairs, which are also the most traded in the world. The US dollar is included in all of these pairs, which explain the great importance that the US dollar has for forex traders. For this reason, the most significant economic information that usually produce the strongest movement in the market is fundamental data relating to the dollar. The US dollar is generally negatively correlated with the gold. As we know, historically, the US dollar price and gold price have had almost perfectly negative correlation. This means that when the price of gold goes up, the value of the dollar goes down, and vice versa, which is mainly due to the fact that gold is measured or valued in dollars. But in recent years, the depreciation of the dollar due to global economic uncertainty has been the main cause of the increase in the value of gold. Gold being generally considered a safe have in times of crisis. Gold has been considered the safest commodity and therefore in times of crisis investors tends to use gold as a safe have, which essentially has a negative effect on the dollar. Next, several emerging markets have established an exchange rate parity between their currency and the US dollar. This measure was adopted with the idea that the government of these countries accept that the dollar becomes the reserve currency by offering to buy or sell any amount of their local currency at the established exchange rate. In general, these countries must also commit themselves to having a reserve of that currency, which is at least equivalent to the amount of the local currency in circulation. This is extremely important as central banks in these countries accumulate large sums of US dollars and actively participate in the management of their fixed or floating parties. In some cases, these countries participate actively in the foreign exchange markets. Next, market tends to pay close attention to interest rate spread between US treasuries and foreign bonds. This features refers to the relationship is very important and should be closely monitored by all forex traders as it is good indicator of potential fluctuation in currency prices. The US market is one of the largest in the world and investors are very sensitive to change in US assets return. Major investors are always on the lookout for the most profitable investment, and if the returns they get in the US go down for rise abroad, they might be tempted to sell their US assets to invest in foreign assets. But the sale of the US fixed income assets required the sale of US dollars and the purchase of foreign currencies, which has an impact on the forex and causes a decline in the value of the dollar. Conversely, if the return on the US assets rises or falls, investors are more willing to invest in US assets, which increase the value of the dollar because you have to buy more dollars to buy those assets. Next, the dollar index. The USDX is the future contracts traded on the New York Board of the Trade. As we can say, professional forex traders closely follow the behavior of the US dollar index as an indicator of the overall strength or weakness of the currency. The US dollar X is the future contract traded on the New York Board of the Trade. It is calculated using the geometric mean of six currency and is weighted according to the foreign trade. It is important for traders to pay attention to this index because when analysts and market participants report a general weakness of the dollar or a weighted drop in the terms of foreign trade, they usually refer to this indicator. Sorry. Before the 11th September 2001 terrorist attack, the US dollar was considered one of the safest currencies. The reason for this is that before the event, the risk of the high volatility in the US was very low. Sorry. It is calculated using the geometric mean of six currencies and is weighted according to foreign trade. Foreign exchange transactions in the US are influenced by the stock and bond markets. There is a strong correlation between a country's currency and it is equally equity and fixed income market, which is clearly the case in the US. Next, factor influencing the value of the dollar. Since the US dollar is the US currency, when economic activity in the current country is strong, the dollar usually strengthens and conversely when economic activity slows down it weak. Today the US dollar play a unique role in the world of international finance as the world reserve currency. The dollar is used for most international transactions. When central banks hold foreign currency reserve, a large percentage of these reserves are typically held in US dollar. Similarly, many countries with a small economy choose to tie the value of the currency to the US dollar to give up their own currency, preferring to use the US dollar instead. The opposition between the supply and demand of dollar. When US producers export product or services, they create a demand for dollars because their customers have to pay for their goods and services in the dollar. Therefore, they have to convert their local currency into dollar. They have So they have to sell their currency to buy dollar in order to make the payment. These situations create greater demand for dollar and as a result put pressure on the supply of dollar, which increase the value of the dollar against the currencies that are sold to buy the dollar. Next, market sentiment and psychology. If the US economy weak and consumption slow down due to rising unemployment, what we can do in that situation? In this scenario, the US face the possibility that foreigners will sell their US bonds or stocks and change the money from the sale of the assets back into their local currency. As a result, they will sell their dollars and buy back their local currency. This type of activity has a negative effect on the dollar. News and economic indicators that affect the value of the US dollar. Investors and traders must assess whether the supply of dollars is above or below the demand for them. To determine this, it is important to pay attention to key economic news and indicators. Market sentiment and the technical analysis elements can also influence the dollar. Investors must also determine the general sentiment about what market participants view as the likely outcome of the various events and economic indicators, as well as the future course of the global and US economies, as well as the US dollar's behavior itself. Many traders believe that the models are repetitive and therefore be used to predict future movements. Next, the dollar on the currency exchange market. Currently, the main currency pairs that are traded are the dollar based one linked to the world principal economies. These currency pairs are Euro and USD, USD and JPY, GBP and USD, AUD and USD, USD and Canadian dollar, USD and CHF, NZD in New Zealand and USD. These pairs cover most currency transactions that involve the US dollar, but there is also a large volume of transactions that feature lesser known or even exotic currencies against the US dollar. Sorry. As noted above, sorry, as noted above, over 90% of the trades involve the US dollar, making it the most traded and liquid currency. Virtually all currencies are traded with the dollar, from those of the most advanced economies to developing currencies, exotic currencies. This is why it is considered the world's reserve currency. Most currencies are traded against the US dollar in currency pair more often than those of other currency. For this, because it is essential that investors interested in foreign exchange markets have a clear understanding of the fundamentals of the US economy and a solid understanding of the general medium and a long-term debt trend. Next, the dollar on the financial market. Not only the US dollar is the most traded currency of the foreign exchange market, but it is also the most widely used currency for transaction in the world famous financial market. Thousands of stock, derivative financial instruments, options, forwards, CFDs, future indices, bond, etc. are traded in US dollar. A wide variety of assets and financial instruments are quoted in US dollar, that is in the currency that is used to determine their value. Thousands of stock, derivatives, financial instruments, indices, bonds, etc. are traded in US dollar. Although Many of these instruments are also traded in their currencies, such as euro, dollar still dominate by far. Even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are traded mainly in dollars. The prices of gold and many other commodities are usually quoted in US dollar. In addition, OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, conduct the transaction in USD. So that means we can say that when a country buy or sell oil, it also buy and sell US dollar at the same time. Because all of these factors contribute to making the dollar the world's most important currency. It is therefore not surprising that the dollar is currently the most traded currency. Thank you for watching. Please mention your queries in the comment box. I will solve your queries soon. Thank you.